Mock interview for a mid-level engineer at an MNC. First first round is HR screening. Tell me about yourself and your journey so far as an engineer. I started off my career as a software developer with a passion for building clean, efficient code and scalable systems. Over the past few years, I have worked on multiple full stack projects using technologies like insert all the tech stack, contributing not just as a coder but as someone who can connect to the technical and business dots. My strength lies in simplifying complexity, mentoring juniors, and embracing challenges that require critical thinking. Why are you interested in this role and our company? I have followed your company's work as mentioned a product initiative or value, and I admire how you balance innovation with impact. This role aligns with my experience in your key domain, and I am excited about the chance to contribute to a team that values both engineering excellence and continuous learning. Technical deep dive. Question 3. A project with a critical architectural design. In my last role, we built a high traffic analytics dashboard. I had to choose between using a monolithic or microservices. I went with a hybrid approach, microservices for data ingestion and a modular monolithic for visualization to balance performance and maintainability. We reduced downtime by 30% and scaled easily during usage spikes. Question 4. Design a scalable real-time notification system. I would use a pub-sub architecture with Apache Kafka or Redis streams. Microservices would handle user preferences, notification types, and delivery. A message queue ensures reliability and web stocks or push services manage real-time delivery. Horizontal scaling and idempotent APIs would keep things resilient. Legacy codebase with poor documentation. I would start by setting up a working environment and writing tests to understand the code's behavior. I would use static analysis tools to map dependencies and talk to stakeholders to identify critical areas. Documentation would follow as I navigate the system, like reverse engineering with an eye for long-term maintainability. Debugging intermittent production issues. I would gather logs, metrics, and timestamps to spot patterns. I would replicate the production environment locally or in staging if possible. Tools like distributed tracing and log correlation are helpful here. If it's data dependent, synthetic test cases often reveal the trigger. Managerial or behavioral. Disagreement with a teammate. Once a teammate and I had differing views on a release strategy, I suggested we each build quick prototypes to compare performance. It brought objectivity to the table and our final decision combined the best of both ideas. The key was mutual respect and focusing on outcomes. Prioritizing tasks under tight deadlines. I would break both deliverables into must-haves versus nice-to-haves using tools like Moscow or Rise. I communicate early if bandwidth or dependencies shift. I also make space for team input. Sometimes what looks like a small task could unlock huge gains.